man.
If up off a gun.
Come up on the road, brother. We don't work with you. We don't want a new man out here. We don't want no new man out here. Left the road, brother.
Bad man.
Do something about it then now. Might do something about it. Do something about it.
Bad man.
Novoo Pandorahh.
Yes, sir. And you don't know it's a boy really so easy. And we're back with the next. No! Perfect. Today, we'll go as an undercover street youth. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Someone 3,000 likes for the video. Happy New Year 2020 double 20 cricket. A be a banger we're going to come with. Trust me. To them I don't know what going to happen. But last time I hear a street youth get shot, I don't know what happened. But pray for me. Pray for me. You see it? 3,000 likes. Big up RAZABLADE for the visual. Yeah? Bro, link below. Big up on yourself. Pray for me, yeah? Banana chip.
Where you come from?
Yo, I want to know my easy no man, I want you. Yo, easy yourself, you. I want you. What? Yo, I might gun this to my youth. I want to know my youth. Let's walk. I want you, youth. I want to know. I want to know my youth. I think I want to know how to eat food. Man, you let your easy yourself, man. I want to hear you. I have to lick in your face. I want to hear you. Let's walk. I'm not left it. I want to hear my youth.
If up off a gun.
Come up on the road, brother. We don't work with you. We don't want a new man out here. We don't want no new man out here. Left the road, brother.
Bad man.
Do something about it then now. Might do something about it. Do something about it.
Bad man.
My dog is a little experiment me that do, you know. You see it for the YouTube.
Yeah, but we never know, brother. Say, we never know that either. We never know that either, brother. We never know. I never say a street worker. Literally, brother, when I work with you, come and you hear that man done. So I've never say a street youth, brother. Because most of the youth them out there, brother, they disrespect the people, man. We are youth when I want, the one who want disrespect the people, them stop with food. You understand that police come take way off the road, brother. So it make me ask you who you. Big man thing, general.
Yeah, but I never know say so no have it rough, G. Cause how you approach the thing just a while ago, you did it grime like I eat it, I this put food on your table and everything there.
Actually, you me have my done. I can't make a new man come stop my thing where I don't know nothing about what come literally disrespect the people. You understand? So
people that disrespect get disrespect.
Exactly.
From newcomer.
Definitely. And when the people get disrespect, it put a stoppage to my thing that me can't put no food on the table for my youth them. You understand? Because the people get disrespect. Me not gonna earn no money. Police are going to come bully me on the road. And at this street, me youth them as a youth them go to school general.
So the police take you off of the street?
Every day.
You ever got done one?
Eh?
You ever done one?
What do you mean?
No, why people not
No, mama, just come on the road, my G.
Oh, no, not going to.
What do you mean?
No, why people not going? You realize it? None of them there. What today?
Them a man know already,
Yeah.
so them come back for.
No, what you say? No wiping now going, but me I say, how me I feed me youth if I have a youth?
Right, stop this.
Like what? Like what?
Government still.
Oh, what job is to come up here and make sure that none of you guys are here.
So why you get rid of weed then?
Well, I know, man.
You know that I'm
people
sorry.
up here antagonize people.
No, but them know that already.
But you don't know if I me I do that, officer.
But you know all, but for all. The motorists them get one all about disrespect, water spray on them. Them car glass broke. You understand?
Yeah.
By the new youth them and the bad one them. So I don't know who your generals are eat. me I go on so with
So
it.
you
Sorry
like you
about that,
protect your
Dan.
territory.
Exactly, my general.
My because yeah, it's like you have a anger, my like a long time up on the street.
But me 11 more time, my general. Now me 28. At this feed me youth, the mother drop out when me 5 years old, my Dan. You see me, at this feed me youth them, and me self-teach myself and help myself read. That me can read, my Dan. You understand? Yeah, my Dan. Mother drop out when me 5. Daddy, you know how that father stay, father always want them own me.
Yeah.
So I find myself around when me 11. Now me 28.
From your level dog.
I'm 11, brother. Now I say I send me go to school. I get to go teaching from school, but I still self-teach myself.
So you drop out.
Drop out from school. I don't really say drop out, you know, but you know, mommy pass off and in a way, mommy have left and daddy and it rough pan him alone with 9 pick me when I have to take care of. You understand?
Yeah.
So, you don't know, it make me out to do this.
So you could have picked up badness. See your virgin all a white glass there, right there, so.
I'm sure you probably the same thing happen to him parents, them make him out here do this to Modu now.
If you didn't antagonize the people, this wouldn't.
But I know me I do the antagonizing.
The same like how they say police, every police are wicked.
Yeah.
Same way, I know we are doing.
No, but they can't use fat oil. Oh, you got fat oil fry.
You not do it.
I understand. Yeah. We have vent right now and a full fault.
Full fault.
So bring it to
Last
them.
week, I tell you what I'm going to so hard.
I'm come up
Last
here
week,
that you pan patrol and a man.
I'm going to broke a man glass last week. And you didn't come
running,
here.
you see, I broke a glass. We don't know about next one. Next one up here, so we have to grow so I go him and gone.
Oh, so. But me I say some new man that. And I like the old man, them is it.
But if you know the old one, I make the new man, them do that. About it.
Well, the old is old. So once you're there, no care glass man there.
If some of the motorists them brother try to abuse you and
Come here say a man get shot more while.
Alright, see that now. Alright, here what happen now. To show you that disrespect a motorist wife.
Oh.
And that woman, them female, them a driver car and them disrespect her and her husband, you understand? And
him just pop
come
off.
Back, come do him thing.
Yeah.
And I'm tell you why him them spray water in the woman's face. See her driver, she said, no, don't wipe my car. Him spray water in the woman's face. You understand? Lick her car and here's her husband. We don't know still, but here's her husband come back, come
doing thing.
Yeah, she and him and him friend.
So him did drop out?
So me I hear him dead, I don't know, but me say the street youth dead on Pandorahh Avenue.
So we want to just simple white glass and white you know they don't want to
And the most violence against women.
A woman so that mean a woman then
me say if you up here sit off for a woman and kill check every rotten glass, scrape up people glass. And foolish is that.
so on the camera just wipe a one glass and see can get a $50.
If you wipe that means one of them have to wipe glass too.
So only the rejection like people are telling you no like
you know in general in everything you know madam you have to have manners you know.
Yeah.
It's rough out there, the road rough, but the manners, them always the manners carry through the world you know madam. And so once you show the car people them manners and show the motorists them manners, you will succeed. You understand? But you know sometimes we forgot about the manners because we are human beings in general.
True.
Not because you wipe car glass, we are human beings madam. You hear that in general.
True.
And to be honest in general, sometimes we forgot about the manners and I throw water upon a woman car, I throw water upon a man car and the reaction she go on away and now I tell them like
yeah, because you say you're wrong in a them aspect there.
you understand?
Yeah.
You don't know me general. Because I go on, just there, I go and take the rough life. Easy, madam. You hear that bad.
But I understand, I just want to feel how it feels for be a street youth for a day. You see it?
So
You get what I mean? No, I mean like me I say, that's, but I understand what them I say, we can't wipe my glass after hours, I never know, you see it?
see the man a wipe glass there?
So I cannot try to get a trade and anything there, feel like.
Not really so try to get a trade in general. You don't know through my youth them, madam. I through my youth them, madam. Youth, me have 3 youth.
Yeah, so like a mason site and thing.
I do the whole of them things in the past and it don't make sense in general.
Oh, if you go on a site and be a labourer?
The last man picked me about them in general on the stoplight, right for the traffic stoplight, yes.
Yeah.
And say give me some work and I did a work with him. You understand? I start go back on my yard now and thing, I'm thinking mother to get a work.
Yeah.
I start work with him. So when I come out and get paid on the Friday, I work with him. Every 2 weeks I get paid. I work with him the whole 2 weeks. So the Friday comes to get paid. A car man on the road, motorist. I say, yo, you want some work? I say, yeah man. So I go work with him. So the Friday, the 2 weeks I do with him. So the Friday I get the pay the following next week. And I call him on phone, come have a look at food I'm buying them general. Let me go look.
Yeah, bang at it, yeah.
Come I call him and say, yo brother, I come from pay. The man answer me nothing. So I put the back on the road.
Oh, so you get discouraged.
Definitely, madam. You understand? So, I don't pull up no application form with him and them little thing there.
Yeah, yeah.
I end up paying my done.
So it's like you know want to go there so because you feel like say everybody stays so because them see you as a street youth and them can use you.
Definitely. So I feel like the same thing about me to me again in general. So we must speak on the stoplight right now. Work, society, everything in general. My life is out here so.
No, my G, easy now.
Man alone can't do that.
Easy now.
Alone.
Easy now.
Easy now.
Cool. Yo, easy now, my G, easy now. No, mate, no, remember say violence in the set.
Tell man them, big up my general them.
No, me I say no violence, remember say no violence, my G.
But what ever go on, come on.
Ever go on, after every police come up here. Him ever shoot like a body thing now with proof.
Yeah, so man, I hear the emotion never is like.
Thanks, boss, man.
Hold on.
Tell them on it rough, my general.
Hold on, give me a second. Yo, Razor. Mighty rough, dog.
I'm there to listen to the story, dog, and Johnny.
Feel a way you. That's why the man's so angry, dog. I forgive child. I don't have nothing, dog. I don't lie, I don't have money. But 2 grand I have left in my name, you know. Let's see what I go. 2 grand alone I have left in my name, dog. So I just give each of them grand, dog, because it must do a thing, dog.
Yeah, it must kind of sit, dog. A man saying I'm 5 bills and sometime and some 50s and so 100. So what's the money?
Yo, when I'm much in a G, more a killer get 1 too, you see? Make a killer get 1 too.
Appreciate it, boss. Enough love, enough thanks. So you that, boss.
Big up
thanks,
yourself.
brother.
Big up yourself, you see?
Just
Just guidance.
Just
Guidance on the road, yeah, that
Man, you know what tonight, son, them boss. No money in our run, so let's go and see them all like rest the brother come up on the stuff like that. Rough out, brother, train.
Yo, just hold it up, like, you
Thanks,
see?
brother, man. Thanks,
Just hold it up, man. You see? Just hold it up, you see, my G?
Thanks, brother.
We are fight it, you see? And you're one of the youth them who could have do other things than this. So if you do this, if you get an income, you're better than someone who are doing wrong. You see?
I really prove them level skill on boss. You see me, that's why I do this, my boss.
Yeah, people, as you can see, we never get for what now windscreen today. Because as the police say, yo, the time lock off, so them get a limited time in the day for wipe it. I think 6 o'clock at the lock off time, so we don't see how I wipe none, but I wish I could have given them more, but at that alone I have, I don't know, I'd probably Razor, you have to give me 100.
Yeah, you're good, man.
Yeah, Razor will pay my bus fare. Not even big enough 3,000 likes, because I feel down for no say, out here rough in the streets, and sometimes me a drive and me a say, oh, I don't want my screen wipe, you see it? And I can give them a 150 if I have it. I feel zoned out right now, you see it? Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching the entire video. If you want to reach at the end, big up on yourself. Yo, so Novoo.